Hello, everyone. If you want to speak English, there are some words you simply can't do without: basic action verbs like sit, laugh, walk, write, and think. These are the building blocks of everyday conversations. Without them, speaking English becomes almost impossible. So, let's dive in and master these must-know verbs together. Ride. Ride. Example, he loves to ride his bicycle in the park. Walk. Walk. Example, she likes to walk in the park. Laugh. Laugh. Example, he laughed at the funny joke. Fight. Fight. Example, they always fight over who gets to play video games first. Sit. Sit. Example, please sit down and relax. Run. Run. Example, she likes to run every morning. Jump. Jump. Example, the kids jump over the puddles.
Sing. Sing. Example, she loves to sing in the shower. Dance. Dance. Example, they dance at the party all night.
Swim. Swim. Example, he can swim very well. Read. Read. Example, she loves to read books before bedtime. Write. Write. Example, he likes to write stories in his notebook. Draw. Draw. Example, she will draw a picture of her cat. Play. Play. Example, the children play outside after school. Cook. Cook. Example, she loves to cook pasta for dinner. Eat. Eat. Example, he eats breakfast every morning. Drink. Drink. Example, she drinks water after exercising. Talk. Talk. Example, she likes to talk with her friends on the phone. Sleep. Sleep. Example, he sleeps for 8 hours each night. Think. Think. Example, she likes to think about her future. Climb. Climb. Example, he will climb the mountain this weekend. Throw. Throw. Example, she will throw the ball to her dog. Catch. Catch. Example, he can catch the ball with one hand. Build. Build. Example, they will build a sandcastle at the beach. Help. Help. Example, she will help her brother with homework. Visit. Visit. Example, he is visiting his grandparents' house. Start. Start. Example, she will start her new job on Monday. Finish. Finish. Example, he will finish the line in running. Close. Close. Example, please close the door quietly. Open. Open. Example, he will open the window for fresh air. Listen. Listen. Example, he likes to listen to music while studying. Watch. Watch. Example, they will watch a movie tonight. Smile. Smile. Example, she smiled when she saw her friend. Wave. Wave. Example, he waved goodbye as she laughed. Kiss. Kiss. Example, she gave her mother a kiss on the cheek. Hug. Hug. Example, he hugged his friend when they met. Greet. Greet. Example, she greeted everyone at the party. Shout. Shout. Example, he shouted for joy when he won. Breathe. Breathe. Example, she takes a deep breath before speaking. Explore. Explore. Example, they will explore the forest this weekend. Discover. Discover. Example, she discovered a new cafe in town. Borrow. Borrow. Example, she will borrow a book from the library. Share. Share. Example, she will share her toys with her friends. Paint. Paint. Example, he will paint the fence this weekend.
Lend. Lend. Example, she will lend her pen to her friend.
Count. Count. Example, he can count to 50 without help. Relax. Relax. Example, she likes to relax with a good book.